Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Vega hair dryer. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always ensure your hair dryer is completely unplugged from any power source and has cooled down entirely. You will need just two simple tools, a small Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. Taking these precautions will help ensure a smooth and safe process for everyone involved. Now, let's find those screws. Most Vega hair dryers have 2 or 3 small screws holding the casing together. These are typically found on the handle or around the air intake vent. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, gently turn counterclockwise to loosen and remove each one. It's a good idea to keep them in a small dish so they don't roll away. Once all the screws are out, it's time to gently separate the two halves of the hair dryer. You might hear a slight click as the plastic clips release. If needed, use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry along the seam, being mindful not to force anything. Remember, there are delicate internal wires, so proceed with care and a light touch. With the casing open, you now have access to the internal components like the motor, heating element, and fan. This is a great opportunity to clean out any dust or lint that might have built up, using a soft brush or compressed air. To put it back together, simply align the two halves, snap them into place, and then carefully replace and tighten all the screws you removed earlier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.